In a busy world, we are all on the move. Some travel far, others stay nearby. Some are on the move when called for, but most of us are on the move every day and all the time. If being on the move leaves your tasks undone, then the world slows down and finally comes to a halt until you are back in business. 1 hour, 1 day, or 1 week from now. It doesn't have to be like that. With NextGo, you look up your contract, approve your invoice, and submit your expense, no matter where you are. As easy as email, but secure and in control. NextGo lets you keep the ball rolling at all times. Or not. Because sometimes you simply have better things to do.
Nextway. Making good business run better.